Do you have brown eyes and you really want to make them pop with makeup? I'm going to show you what you need to do. The answer is purple. Now that can be eyeshadow, eyeliner, or even mascara. But today I'm going to be showing you how to create a beautiful purple eyeshadow look using the What's Up Beauty Dragon Eyeshadow Palette. So first we're just going to take a fluffy blending brush and tap into this color Spike right here. Now always make sure you tap off the excess before you dip into your eyeshadow. Now my eyelids are already prepped with some concealer. And first I like to start, I like to do little windshield wiper motions, and then I like to do little circles just to blend it all together. Windshield wiper motions, and then little circles to soften and buff it up. Now you can obviously, do this as many times as you want because you want to build up the color to your liking. So again, windshield wiper motions, and then soft little circles to blend. So next I'm going to go and to tap into another color just to deepen up that eye and add a little bit of depth and dimension. So next I'm going to grab a smaller, tighter little tapered blending brush and tap into this color called Powerful. Again, tap off the excess. And this I like to tap on first before I actually go in and blend it out. So tap first, and then I'm going to go in and blend it out. And then I like to do like a little sideways V. This is what we call the outer V of the eye if you're brand new to makeup and you have no idea. And then I'm just gonna go in and grab that same brush without any extra products on it and lightly blend that out. So with this part, I like to do little circles just to soften that edge up just a little bit. So I really like my corner, a little bit deeper and smokier. So I'm gonna keep going in and building. So you're gonna keep going in, adding color and blending. Add color, blend, add color, blend. And then again, grab that same brush that we used for the first shade and then just go in and lightly blend that out. What you don't want is any harsh lines of demarcation, etc. So now we're gonna go in to this magic shade. No, I lied. We're gonna go into Monster with our finger. Super pigmented. If you've never tried What's Up Beauty's eyeshadow palettes, super soft, super velvety. And then we're just gonna pack that on the lid. When I tell you the pigment on that, woo! And when I'm doing my lid, I always like to go in also with a flat little shader brush just to kind of really carve out the shape of that eye. So just carve that out. You can also tap and pat if you want. This will also help avoid getting shimmer dropped all over your face. And normally I do my eyes first, but I was recording today, so I did my face, a base video first. So then we're gonna go back in, just grab that little tiny brush, and then we're just gonna softly blend over the two to make it nice and seamless. Guess what? Eyes done. Let's move on to the next one. Super quick, super simple. So again, just grabbing that fluffy blending brush and tapping into that first color, Spikes right there, tap off the excess, and pop that on the lid. Again, windshield wiper motions, and then tiny little circles. Just to blend that out. You want it nice and soft and diffused. Nice, soft, and diffused. I'm gonna tap back in again because we want to build up that color, right? And this will definitely, when I tell you purple on brown eyes, it's like purple was meant for brown eyes. Let me know down below in the comments if you've tried purple eyeshadow, and also let me know what's your favorite color eyeshadow. Purple is not my favorite color. Orange is actually my favorite color, but purple is definitely my favorite eyeshadow color for sure. And forgive me if you hear any noise in the background. They're doing construction, and this is when I can film, so here we go. So again, just packing that on the outer corner. Remember, tap it on first, and then we go in, same brush as the first color, just to soften and blend that out. I might have to add some music over this because that noise right there, I don't know if y'all can hear that. I hope not, because it's annoying. This is what happens when you live in an apartment building. Super annoying, right? I actually want to go back into that first color and blend this some more right in here. And then we're just going to soften that up. Now to blend out this darker, deeper purple, if you wanted to, you could also dip back into the first color and then blend that out. That'll soften it up some too, but I typically don't do that. So again, back into Magical, right? No, Monster, sorry. And we're just gonna tap that on the eyelid. Now you can use this method, you know, for any eyeshadow combination. Obviously, if you want to keep it monochromatic like this and just do all different shades of purple, you could do that. If you want to, you know, pop it with a different, maybe do like the darker purples and then maybe like pop that green on the lid, that would be really nice too. This is really like what I like to call like a super basic beginner, you know, 3 method. So 3 colors and basically like, you know, 3 eyeshadow brushes. So we're just packing it on the lid. And then we're just gonna go back in again with that darker shade brush without adding any extra color to it. And then just lightly going over and softening it up. And that's it, guys. Super easy, super simple. My videos are also like are super beginner friendly. So I feel like my videos are like foolproof. Like it's impossible to mess them up, you know, mess up your makeup. Even the most, you know, new person to makeup can do, you know, any of these eyeshadow looks that I do. Because I'm also not super creative with my makeup. You know, I just do basic, simple, you know, but pretty eyeshadow looks. So next, just to take it up a notch, we're gonna use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade, I think this is Vice. This is like my favorite purple eyeliner pencil. I'm actually gonna grab the palette so I can actually see a little better. And first we're gonna line our waterline with it. And then after I do the waterline, I like to drag it down underneath just a tiny bit. And if you really want to, like, you know, make this super smoky, you can add black first and then add purple on top. That'll really make it nice and smoky. So we're just gonna tap back into Powerful with that little tiny tapered blending brush, and then we're gonna smoke out the lower lash line. Super sexy, super, you know, smoky. And again, look at my eyes, right? It makes my eyes like, I feel like they like jump out at you at the screen. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.